This is a video about the information of Kawasaki Z400 4-cylinder 2023. Previously, the famous Japanese motorcycle website posted an image of the 4-cylinder Z400, but recently, this site continues to upload images of the Kawasaki Z400 4-cylinder 2023. While the information about the upcoming Z400 coming in 2023 has not cooled down, the information about the 4-cylinder Z400 has made bike fans in the 400cc segment heat up again. In the image posted by the famous motorcycle website from Japan, we can see that the 2023 Z400 has the same front headlight design as the legendary Z1000. Next, we can see in the engine block with a profile similar to the CS25R, which proves that the 2023 Z400 will be equipped with a 4-cylinder engine instead of a 2-cylinder. With the exception of the headlight and engine, on the rest of the Z400 2023 can be seen to be exactly the same as the 2-cylinder Z400, so this is an image rendered from the 2-cylinder Z400 and fitted with the headlights front of the Z1000. But what this famous website posted, it is highly likely to be true. Maybe the Z400 and Z400 4-cylinder will be released in 2023, but the headlights of the Z400 2023 don't look right when taken from Z1000. Maybe the designers of this 2023 Z400 image didn't design it a different headlight and chose to take the design from the Z1000. But I will be rendering a new headlight for the 4-cylinder Z400 in the next video. Okay, do you like Kawasaki Z400 4-cylinder 2023? Let me know in the comments. Now, goodbye and see you.